Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Mohammed, you want to say hi to the vlog? Okay. Anyways, guys, today is the real first snow storm. You know, it's December 3rd. I'm actually surprised it just started now. It usually starts in like October, November. But you guys, look at the snow. Oh, I don't think you guys can see it. Oh, okay, the roads are bad. Why are you not looking at the other lane? Okay, guys, look at the snow though. Okay, he made it seem like the roads were clear.
The roads are clear.
Oh, look at him.
That's what I'm saying. Every car, big, small, it doesn't matter.
Wow. Okay. But yeah, we're about to go and get Rico some food. A hint, not really. Just kidding. We really had to, I know. I saw the bag. I threw it away last night.
Yeah.
Anyways,
You're gonna teach me how to drive? I've been driving one time.
But why is it like blurry?
Oh my god, it is very freezing outside. Get off the thing.
So, I don't know what I'm saying. You guys, I don't know what to talk about. Okay, my life isn't that interesting, unfortunately. But
it doesn't take a camera to let you know that.
Oh, okay, that's Mohammed. I know, talking shit like the usual. But okay, I'm gonna go because I really don't have anything to talk about. I just want to show you guys the snow. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Speaking of a beautiful day in the neighborhood, did y'all hear the story about the winter and the neighbors and stuff? Very important story.
Did you see how dumb he sounded, you guys? But yeah, I'm gonna just start the vlog today. Okay, ما أبغاك مع حين كرتها.
Huh?
ودحين ويا أبغاك حين.
No, I have to.
Okay. Anyways. Okay, I just wanted to start off the vlog today. Not really doing much, so I don't even know why I'm trying to vlog, but it is what it is, right? Y'all just want some content. You guys just want me to upload. If that's what y'all want, then go for it. Let's get it. Okay, I look so rough, like, I'm sorry. I've just been having the worst couple of days, but it is what it is. Okay. Bye, guys. This car is not smart because now he's stuck. Oh, he made it. Good morning, everybody. I am currently running some errands right now, but the first thing I did was buy my new phone. I ended up finally getting the iPhone Pro Max. I've been in need for a new phone anyways, so here it is. This is my phone. I got the green because it's the only color they had, and honestly I didn't even mind it because I like olive green. It's not even that green anyways. But yeah, so I'm excited. I have to pay another bill that I have to do somewhere else. I'll explain that in another video. And I'm gonna give me some coffee and I'll bring you guys along with me. Okay, bye. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Well, I don't even know if this is gonna enter into another vlog, but hey, what's up? It's been a couple of days since I picked up the camera. I have been so busy with a lot of things going on in my life. I am gonna do another sit down video with you guys and really giving you guys updates on what's been actually going on. Because there's a lot, so I want to actually like give you guys the full reasonings of what's just and the cause of me being distanced and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm about to give me some Starbucks. I have to go to the office and finish up some things, and yeah, I've been having weird nightmares, you guys. That's been keeping me up. Like, I usually don't even dream, but now that I've been dreaming, oh my god, it's creeping me out. Like, I'm actually scared. But oh goodness gracious. Oh, okay, super crazy. I think I've been sleeping a lot more because it's like raining and it's gloomy, and I haven't been motivated to go to the gym. I need to get back, obviously, but it's just, I haven't really been motivated. But of course, you know, I'll be back in the action. I don't even know what I'm saying to you guys. I just wanted to say hi because I haven't been on the camera in a while. I'm gonna order my food. Hi, yeah, can I get a venti iced caramel macchiato, upside down with extra caramel and extra ice?
Anything else to go with that today?
Yeah, do you guys have any everything bagel?
Check with that.
Okay.
I do in Finnish. Do you have one of those extras?
Yes, with butter, please.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
I'll have that till first.
Okay, bye. I don't know why I said bye. Like, people are really wearing their Canada Goose jacket today. It is nice out today. It's 55 degrees. But anyways, love you guys. I'll see you guys when I'm at the office. I really don't want to go inside because I'm tired as hell. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. Like, I've been having really like serious sleepless nights. Like, so annoying. I don't wear my earrings today. I feel so naked. See, that's how you know I'm tired. I wear my earrings every day. Every day. Like, I'm like beyond past late. I wanted to go in early, you know, but I guess that didn't happen. Oh, you guys, my new phone. Did I ever show you guys? I feel like I did. I needed to upgrade. Y'all feel me? Oh, okay, I'll go inside. I need the money. Okay, you guys, I'm at the office. You guys can see what I be doing. Not really, because can I show you guys everything? So don't mind, I'm like still using my camera on my phone because I did not want to carry my actual camera to the gym, but I am on my way to the gym. Sorry, like I was saying, yeah, I'm about to go to the gym. The camera on this phone is fire, but like I just feel like you can see all my like pimples and shit. But whatever. I'm about to go. I already said it. I'm so tired, but I'm literally drinking my probiotic yogurt smoothie before I go into the gym, and then I'll come back, shower, get ready for the day. I might record a video today. Not sure, but we'll see. Okay, bye. I think the last thing I showed you guys when I had breakfast, and honestly now it's like 4 p.m. I had a late start to my day, but I had amazing news that I just got right now, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna let you guys know all about that in another video. But I wanted to show you guys these things that I got from Sephora, just some things that I picked up after the gym. I got the Virgin Morello Luxurious facial oil. I heard a lot of good things about this because I've been loving the Drunk Elephant serum. So I just like might as well get the Drunk Elephant oil. Oh, and then I ran out of my Ole Henriksen toner, dark spot toner. It definitely helped me out with all my acne scars. So yeah. So I just only got picked up 2 things. I only went there to go get some. I went to the mall to get shoes, like workout shoes, but I ended up going to Sephora instead. Tragic. But yeah, so I'm about to actually go meet up with my client right now, and then I will see you guys. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm gonna go see my client and probably go to the office. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.